I've been actually using this Chrome extension for quite a bit now. I used to use a different Figma plugin for this, but now Figma basically launched their own version that lets you translate a website into a fully functioning Figma design within like a couple of seconds, much better than anything else out there. So let's say we have this advertorial here that we want to use, right? It looks great. We want to like start testing this for our own brand. We want to start testing this layout. But before we go into the development phase, we just want to make sure that it looks perfectly for our brand, if it actually would work, send it over to our developers, etc., etc. We first want to get the design going. So the way I do this now is just like I grab this. We can select an element with this plugin, which basically, if I just want to have like this hero section, I just press it. It's copied to the clipboard. I just go to my Figma file, I paste it, and like as you can see, I've got here like this fully editable section just ready to go. So the way like this is amazing is like we can just say, okay, we're going to capture the entire page, and that means it's going to capture like obviously the entire page. So what I can do now is when I go in here into Figma, I paste the entire page, and you can see it's obviously taking a bit, but like it literally copied the entire page in Figma, like the exact way the store is looking. Now, obviously, this is how desktop looks. But if you go here and like we go here, like we press it like this when we're on a mobile, it should technically grab the mobile version. So I press that button again. I go into here. It's obviously going to take a little bit to like load in all the sections and everything. And you see like it loads in the exact page on mobile. So like you can see like this is the get to cart. We can just get rid of that. Like I'll put it in there, boom, get that separated. We have the card separate. We've got like the announcement bar separate. Like we've got everything here separate. Like obviously here you see like there's a couple of bugs that can come here. Like they're very easily solvable. Just play around with like some of the font sizes, some of the gaps, some of the widths, like all these type of things. You see like I can just get this sorted and like just take away this here, for example. Here we go, boom. And then boom, and then that's already solved. So it's pretty simple to get like iterations going. So like let's say I have a different brand right now. My color coding is red or whatever instead of green. I can just go in here, play around with it, look at like the selection colors. Okay, change this to red. Like change all the colors around basically a little bit, and then I'll have a fairly new design. Obviously, it's like not completely new, but like I've got a fairly quick updated item here for the brand that I'm working on, for example. So like now I can be like, okay, we have different free gifts, I can have different things, and then we send it to our developers or like we develop it out ourselves, myself and all these things. And we've got like a very quick and easy way to basically communicate to the team how we want to iterate and how we want to have things to look and like push new advertorials live as quick as we can. This obviously works with PPs, homepages, everything. So like if I go back to Chrome and I go to runs their homepage, same story. I just press the Figma plugin up here, press this button here because this is like what's going to capture the entire page. Like obviously now it's going to get bugged because of that thing. So let me refresh. Here we go. Capture it. It's probably not working on the home page. Because it's already exceeding the file size. So let's see if we can do it again when we close that out. There's probably, see, like it basically caps you at like a certain amount of screen captures that you can do at the same time. So like if you get that error, just press the X dot. And then like once again, now I've like when I zoom out, I paste it. It obviously is going to take a little bit. But then now I've got like the entire homepage basically on Figma. And like same thing again, like if I want to have the mobile version, I go into here, let it do its thing, hopefully not run into like any memory issues again. There we go, copy to keyboard, click, copy, Jesus, okay. And then here we go. I've got the entire thing on mobile. And the thing that I like about this as well is you can literally just, it uses auto layout on default. So like it's very, very good when it comes to creating um, designs that like you can just swap around. So like, for example, like it doesn't use frames or anything. Yeah, it uses frames, but it uses auto layout. So when I take this out, it immediately fills up that gap. I don't have to change anything. I don't have to do anything. It's just like changes that gap for me. So here as well, like it's just amazing. Like if you want to get some quick ideations going, like quick testing ideas going, quick redesigns going, this is the way to go. And it's just like one of the easiest, simplest ways you can go about getting iterations in for your brand, and how we've been utilizing this as well to like pick up the speed to go from idea to implementation within like quickest possible ways we can go. So yeah, if you're not using this yet, I would highly advise to use this. Once again, just go to the Chrome store, just type in, I think it's just called Figma. Yeah, and it already like pops up here. Like it's this like this exact plugin, and start playing around with it, start experimenting with it, and yeah, if there's any questions, just leave them down in the comments below.